Are you sick and weary of fumbling with complicated passwords and wondering about your cryptocurrency holdings security? It's time for a move to hardware wallets with biometrics. Come discover with us the best way to confidently and easily safeguard your digital assets. Our top competitor offers a flawless user experience along with military-grade security for Bitcoin investors. The Decent Biometric Wallet aims to transform the way we handle our digital assets by providing a promising combination of security and ease of use. Its biometric authentication, which adds an additional degree of security against unwanted access, is its unique feature. This reduces the risk associated with conventional password-based systems and gives customers peace of mind that their Bitcoins and other digital assets are protected with their own biological IDs. A large number of cryptocurrencies are supported by wallet, increasing its adaptability and attractiveness to expanding community of digital asset investors. Furthermore, both experienced cryptocurrency fans and newcomers can utilize it thanks to its sleek design and user-friendly interface. It's important to take into account any biometric system's potential flaws and limitations such as faking or inaccurate acceptance rates. Even though biometric authentication is a key security safeguard, and apart from its advanced biometric authentication process that provides a strong defense against unwanted access, the Decent Biometric Wallet's versatility to many blockchain networks and ease of use in practical situations are critical factors to evaluate when measuring its overall efficiency. Users may easily manage a wide range of cryptocurrency portfolios thanks to the wallet's seamless interaction with many blockchain networks, which increases its adaptability and appeal to the expanding community of digital asset investors. All things considered, the Decent Biometric Wallet is a remarkable advancement in the field of cryptocurrency security, providing customers with a promising balance of originality and assurance. Next, we have the Engrave Biometric Wallet. Engrave Biometric Wallet offers a strong response to the urgent requirement for strong security when handling digital assets. The incorporation of biometric authentication, which offers customers an extra degree of security against unwanted access, is its most notable feature. By limiting access to Bitcoin assets to only the authorized owner, this creative solution reduces the risk connected with the conventional password-based systems. The wallet also highlights connectivity with a large number of blockchain networks, which increases its versatility and appeal to the growing cryptocurrency community. Its offline functionality offers additional protection by removing the possibility of online attack, and its elegant design and user-friendly interface make it affordable to both beginners and seasoned traders. The Engrave Biometric Wallet offers users a complete solution that puts ease and peace of mind first, setting a new standard for Bitcoin storage with a concentration on safety, ease of use, and flexibility. The iWallet Biometric Wallet is the last but certainly not the least. The iWallet Biometric Wallet is an attractive mixture of state-of-the-art security technologies and a simple interface for users. The use of biometric identification, which demands a user's specific biological identifiers for access, offers an unmatched level of safety for digital assets and is its most notable feature. This strong security mechanism gives investors in Bitcoin peace of mind by reducing the possibility of unwanted access. The iWallet Biometric Wallet offers accessibility and adaptability in digital asset management, supporting a broad variety of cryptocurrencies. Its elegant appearance and user-friendly interface appeal to both experienced enthusiasts and novices. iWallet is compatible with a large number of cryptocurrencies, which makes it a flexible choice for handling different digital assets. Both seasoned cryptocurrency fans and newcomers can utilize it thanks to its elegant and small design and user-friendly interface. Its offline feature also provides an additional degree of security by shielding private data from internet risks. All things considered, the iWallet Biometric Wallet sticks out as a dependable and practical option for safely keeping and managing digital assets in the increasingly digital world of today. In conclusion, biometric hardware wallets transform cryptocurrency security by providing a smooth fusion of ease of use and superior security. These cutting-edge gadgets, which have capabilities like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, offer strong defense against online attacks, guaranteeing the safety and security of your digital assets. It's time to welcome biometric hardware wallet as the crypto security of the future. As we come to an end of our conversation today, we would want to thank you for your time and participation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.